For everyone out there who wants to start working out but doesn't exactly know where to start or what to do, this fitness series is especially dedicated to you. I hope this motivates you to release your inner workout warrior. Lots of love, Farah. An easy beginner's push-up is known as the half push-up. Put your palms to the floor and keep them shoulder width apart. Over here, it is incorrect to go down with your butt. The main idea is to go down with the upper body because that's where all the weight is. Keep your legs closer together because the farther apart you keep them, the easier the push-up becomes and it loses its entire effect. Now for the full push-up, you're going to lift your knees off the floor and balance on your toes and palms, keeping your body parallel to the floor. Always make sure to inhale on the way down and exhale when you're pushing yourself back up. Something to watch out for is your neck. Sometimes people tend to go down with their neck first because it feels like you're closer to the ground that way. But it's really your chest that needs to be closer to the ground. So that's what you should use when pressing yourself toward the floor. Once you've got these down, you've got your push-up right. Get into position by placing your forearms on the floor. Bring your legs together and lift your knees off the ground. Suck your belly in, straighten your back and slightly squeeze your glutes. Do not sink to the floor using your lower back because the entire effect is lost. Another form that's totally wrong is lifting your butt up into the air, making planks super easy on your abs, which is not what it's supposed to feel like at all. So flattening your back, keeping your legs together and tummy sucked in is all you've got to remember to do. Keep your breathing normal. Hold this position for up to 10 to 15 seconds initially and gradually work your way up to a minute. Start by laying down with your back to the floor. Keep your feet either together or a little apart, whatever is more convenient to you. Neck safety is important while crunching, so try to avoid any strain. Do not lace your fingers together because that tends to make you jerk your head forward to gain more momentum. Instead, place your thumbs behind your ears and fingers supporting your head. Keep your elbows apart and crunch up using the muscles in your abdomen. Do not push yourself up using your head because it won't have the same results. Keep your back flat on the floor and pull yourself up using your core muscles. Don't bring your elbows in like this. Keep them out, leaving your chest open. Make sure you exhale on the way up and inhale on the way down. To make this a little more challenging, bring your feet off the floor. Cross them at the ankles and continue with the same movement. Beginners can start with 2 sets of 10 crunches and gradually build up to 2 sets of 20 or 30. For the forward lunge, stand with your legs slightly apart. Put one of your legs forward and come straight down with your other leg. See that the knee of your front leg doesn't go past your toes when you lunge forward. Make sure you bring the knee of your back leg as close to the ground as you can and stand back into position by pushing through the heel of the leg in front. Switch to your next foot to alternate both legs while lunging. Inhale while you go down and exhale on the way up. The leg you put forward feels the stretch on your glutes and hamstring area, while the leg at the back feels the stretch in the thigh area. Start with 2 sets of 10 for each leg and then gradually work your way up to 2 sets of 20 or 30. Start with your feet shoulder distance apart or a little wider if you're just starting out. You can point your feet a little outward as well. Keep the knees in a neutral position. Make sure they don't point outwards or close into each other. Now push your hips back and as if there was an invisible chair behind you, squat down, keeping your back arched and don't curve it inwards. Go as low as you can, inhaling as you lower yourself and exhaling to come back up. Do about 2 sets of 10, gradually building up to 2 sets of 20. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.